चेंज झाला आमचं आम्ही एक तारीख घेतला पहिला हे 7 एजंटा मिळाले स्पेशल त्यांना अर्जंट मीटिंग असताना त्यांना आमची हिस्ट्री एक नाला 2 एजंटाने मॅक्झिमम 30 7 दिवसात डिसिजन घेऊन जातात तुम्ही एक चेंज करा सांगता त्याला सांगते
Shortlisting of consultants of work Kisura for preparation of various projects for the corporation of City of Mandip.
Mr. Mayor and Mr. Commissioner, I want the report of this mayor and this council. We have completed 6 months. I want the report of what has happened so far in the municipality. Yes, I tell you, because I have been telling you, you can think n number of things there. Without the bylaws, you're zero. I told you. Bylaws, everything is done. Why not being done? Government is the mayor. We have got MLA pending. The chief minister is yours. Why the bylaws are not being prepared? Because without the bylaws, you are not only we are all zero. Only who the hero is the commissioner.
And Shatri.
Shatri. Got a point?
Yeah.
Because bylaws are very important. Reply. Bylaws is happening down there. Renovation of this shop, that shop. Can you see it?
No, that is what I'm getting.
That bylaws get completely tight rocking. Arey Baba, whenever the mayor had got it done, then he was following up. Why can't you follow it up? The bylaws. With the rice and the water. Everything was done, sent to the government. Why is it not coming? Third off. Get elected then you come. Get elected then you come. I am on my feet. You don't have to tell me that. I am on my feet. I am on my feet. No, sorry, sir. I am on my feet. I am on my feet. I am on my feet. You should be sitting here. You should be sitting there. Mr. Mayor, please understand. You listen to me because I am adult to my age and I am senior 30 years in this corporation sitting. I wound up with that. I am telling you, if you want to develop the city, if you want to have control, bylaws are important. Second thing, recruitment rules, recruitment rules. Everything was done. If the recruitment rules are there, all the staff will not take it for granted. These two things are important things. Bylaws and recruiting rules.
Okay, what the bylaws will tell you? In the next document, we put the bylaws. It is not was municipality which is government.
No, there's no question of.
But then you have the immediately you had to go.
No, everything was done. It was usually, I tell you, Mr. Commissioner, you also knew here. Bylaws, everything was approved. Our ex, he will tell you, our ex-councillor Pundalik don't remember now. So that was put. Before that was put, he's saying that line did not come passed by the corporation. Correct or not? Everything is done. There is no other municipality who ask for bylaws because they come under the Goa Municipality Act. Everything comes in this. Yeah. Everything was done. Everything is passed and vetted by the law department. No. It's a bunch. Listen. Bylaws were not framed by ex-President Sundarado. He had appointed the ex-South collector. Andy Agarwal. He had paid a bill of 1 lakh rupees to him. Then we went, after he doing it, we showed 4 lawyers. We brought it 4 times to the corporation meeting. It was passed, it was sent. So how long that? When did the government ask me query? So how long does it take to answer to the government for query? You will not do it. All due respect to you, you will not want the bylaws to pass. Number one, because powers are with the commissioner. Every commissioner tried to sabotage it because the powers are with the commissioner. The moment the bylaws are passed, powers will be with the same man.
Within 2 months of the
Yeah, so why is happening? MLA is out, mayor is of the government.
That's what I'm saying.
Government, ruling government is there. At least when I was the mayor, I was not in ruling, I was being harassed. But in spite of that, I did everything. Why? In the interest of the city.
You are also working in the city as well. Already you prove
That's what I say. Before you start all these, doing all these things, get your bylaws passed. Get don't I am talking something logic. My friend, I am talking something logic. Tomorrow, if in March, suppose our government come and we make you the mayor, you will have no power. I am trying to do that to help you. Are you having kuchu-kuchu in India? Huh? You are having kuchu-kuchu in India? Blanket we had given to Smart City. Correct? No? When you were there as a mayor, to do everything. Smart City was supposed to do everything. Here they only passing regulation. After that you came again we gave blanket NOC to Smart City. Nothing happened. Then you told her that G should have going to do. Now you tell me, why do we require consultant? If Smart City and G Shuda and PWD are doing it, why do we require consultant? With what? What are the projects in CCB? Your duty is to clear the drain, your duty is to do the potholes, and your duty is to repair the footpaths. What the consultants have to do? Everything has been done. No, I tell you, my dear friend, everything has been done by Smart City. After he came, he was there. Full pay. Please understand, everything. Shall I ask from the pharmaceutical view? Right, but pharmaceutical they are what I am saying is, if CCP wants consultant,
आम्ही त्याला बोलतो
we have to tell them, asking for, we don't want this to that thing. Correct? Mr. No.
इतके लिस्ट आला नाही कंसल्टंट लिस्ट करा आणि आम्ही पुढे गेलो आला की आम्ही कंसल्टंट चूज करतो आमको बाहेर असं चूज करतो ते कंसल्टंट
This consultant, you know how much in crores? In
we are
crores
not
they
paying
are
that
using.
now but we are not paying आणि पेमेंट पण आहे ना we are not paying that कंसल्टंट म्हणजे काय करतो
When Sanjit is for the commissioner, the Spanish company.
कोण चुप्पा बोलायचं बोलला ना सगळे त्यांना बोलायचे करा म्हणून तुम्ही टेंडर करा अरे टेंडर करा और आधी समिती करा आम्ही अप्रूव्ह करतो त्यांचे कंसल्टंट आणि अप्रूव्ह करतो रॉंग आहे म्हणजे
Do the procedure properly because somebody.
आम्ही टेंडर करा
Ask for a fresh consultant. We have to show this consultant. Yes. Yeah, in the project. In the project. तुम्ही पास करता आमका बघा तुम्ही पास करता नो प्रॉब्लेम ना बट वी डोंट बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस तुमका काय बाबा तुझे काय मला मी पास केले
notice of intent was published before the leaders not need to be. No, we cannot pass the we do have see anyway, see we will adopt this. I am not likely for
bring the project here. With the permission. For this project, we are appointing this consultant. Simple thing होगा ये. आगे कौन काम कर रहे हैं? हम लोग
This is my question.
What we are doing is we are only approving the already appointed list of.
कौन?
Why my unity went past? Why you are doing the discussion? I don't know. Why you are doing the discussion? I don't know. You are past
criteria followed by the CCP to approve any of this.
Do it opposite. From Miramar Circle to Ramos House straight. It goes to yeah, big train. No, you have to be at please understand. It has to start from Miramar Circle, Yatri Niwas, Sand Dunes, Beach Nest. Opposite. This is opposite. No, opposite. See. No, opposite drain done by Smart City. Plan or I'm talking about the plan or tendering of the drain. The drain should not be left hand side. From the Miramar Circle down, the Ramos Bungalow. That full line to this thing. But your thing has come opposite. The opposite was done. No, one thing is water goes in center is correct. That has to be opposite. Now what Smart City has done, the whole train they have done, with the pressure the water goes to the hospital. So that has to be discontinued and it has to be the opposite. Number one, I'll tell you. When it,
See, it is already crossed. It is already crossed and brought this side.
that water from circle is crossed and is coming to
Yeah, but why it was coming? Because that drain depth is only something 30 or 40.
that's why we don't want that drain, that crossing has been
Yeah,
opposite.
1 meter we are doing it.
That's what I'm saying, you are not listening. There was the estimate prepared by PWD,
No, we are not.
already tendered.
Half a second.
No, that full thing was tendered. Then afterwards,
We will write to PWD to cancel that.
Yeah.
Because we already have.
but what I'm saying, see,
We will do that.
the train has to be opposite.
Okay.
Miramar Circle, Sandview, Beachhead, Amos House, it goes directly to Sports Authority, it goes in a sheet. And then
From it,
we take it. From Kabir's house. Don't go near Kabir's house. Opposite Kabir's house. Opposite Kabir's house. Straight. It goes to the football ground. You know. So that full thing will form opposite Kabir's house till the football ground. That road is there now, where they park and all. There the drainage go to the sea.
So we go for an inspection.
So that's why you must take experts' advice.
So, 1996 government has prepared a master plan for the At that time, Dayanand Narvekar was the minister for
अरे ना कितने गए ले?
So there is existing. So government has spent a lot of money on that.
So this is this report was not only a basic. We will come with a basic.
We have आगे समझे हैं. I समझे था. Man face to face. बड़े निकले गए. तुम्हारा कौन है बेटा? कौन है बेटा?
फिश मार्केट लिस्ट असा मी त्या लिस्ट मध्ये करून कोणाक दिलेले
Yes.